A decade ago, digital currencies were nothing more than an obscure experiment. Today, they are a trillion-dollar force, challenging traditional finance and reshaping economies. But how did we reach this point? And what does the future hold for cryptocurrency? Join us as we explore the rise of digital money and how it's transforming the world. Money has been evolving for thousands of years, from the barter system to the first minted coin, from paper banknotes to plastic credit card. The way we trade has always been driven by convenience and security. Now, with cryptocurrencies, we are witnessing the next chapter, a decentralized digital economy where banks no longer hold the keys. But how did we get here? In 2008, during the financial crisis, an anonymous figure, Satoshi Nakamoto, released the Bitcoin white paper. The idea? A digital currency that operates outside government control, built on blockchain technology. It promised secure, transparent transactions without banks as intermediaries. But was it truly the financial revolution it claimed to be? Bitcoin's journey has been anything but stable. The meteoric rise in 2017 saw Bitcoin hit record highs, making overnight millionaires. But the crash that followed wiped out billions. The cycle repeated in 2021 with another massive surge, only to be followed by the infamous 2022 crypto crash. Extreme volatility has kept governments cautious and investors on edge. So, is crypto a bubble or the future of finance? Beyond just an investment, crypto is revolutionizing industries. Real estate deals now close with Bitcoin. Gamers earn real money in blockchain-based virtual worlds. Even healthcare systems are integrating blockchain for secure patient data. From online shopping to freelance payments, crypto is embedding itself into everyday life. But is the world ready for a fully digital economy? As governments race to regulate and technology advances, the fate of digital currency remains uncertain. Will Bitcoin replace traditional money? Will central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, take over instead? Or will an entirely new financial system emerge? One thing is clear, digital money is here to stay, and we are just getting started. Want more deep dives into tech, finance, and the future of money? Hit that subscribe button and stay ahead of the curve.